What do YouTube? It's your boy MB, ready to do the daily breakdown of the S&P 500 on the futures market. So today is Wednesday, March 13th, 2024, and today was an odd day. There wasn't really impactful news that was going to be moving the market much, and we actually have important news tomorrow, so I figured today would kind of be a flat day, and that's kind of what it was. You needed to be pretty precise on your entries and very, very patient. So let me break down these plays for you. So during pre-market, we had this area that was kind of holding up. We bounced here a few different times, so I decided to take a long here at 36, but that got stopped out. And then someone in the chat had pointed out this area right here, yesterday's kind of area of interest at 145. And we found some buyers there yesterday, and that's exactly where we bounced here. So that was play number one. If you entered here, it was about 10 points in 40 minutes. And then after that, we re-entered this area of demand. And it didn't really give you you could have gotten long here, but because we didn't enter this demand zone, there was really no opportunity. And then after that, even if you entered there, we just couldn't get above VWAP. We pulled back out to this area, and then we got back over here. So it was very choppy to start the day. There was almost 4 hours that had gone by, and we hadn't broken above this 10-point range. But finally, at 12 o'clock, we break above it. And that's where we finally started to form some structure. So on a 15-minute, I noticed that we kept, ranging, but the candles kept getting smaller and smaller, and the bodies got smaller and smaller as well. So it looked like we were forming a bit of bull flag, and so I marked out this area here as an area of support. And if we broke that it would mean that the bull flag is invalidated. And so I just had that feeling that maybe we would get a sell-off before tomorrow, and that's exactly what happened. So we closed below the support level. And I actually entered in right here at 39.5, thinking that this would be the area that it would retest. So it starts to work out initially. But when we found some buyers here, I got a paper handed and sold there. And so I leave my screen, I go eat, and I see that we retested this area at 40, which probably would have been a better entry. But we were tested at 40, and then 10 minutes later, just absolutely dump. And it hits my target down here at this pivot point. So I come back to my screen, and I was like, damn, of course I sold, and I should have just been a little bit more patient on this retest here. But it's all good. It's always a learning lesson. All I know is that at least the trade worked out. So I took the setup. I just needed to hold it for a little bit longer. And then after that, we had a very sharp recovery. So you probably could have entered in on this pivot point. The rejection was so sharp, I couldn't really find where this I did like the 18 level, but there was really nothing important about this area to me where we bounced at. Maybe I'll find it later. But regardless, we got a pretty strong reaction from there back up to here. I wanted to short at VWAP again, but it ended up only being about 6 points. So yeah, nothing after that. We just kind of chopped around. And lately I've been seeing that there's been only a handful of really good quality setups. It just requires extreme patience. So I did take 2 trades today, ended up, again, only positive $20. But this one right here I should have held because that would have been, that would have put me in the green a lot. But that's pretty much it. I will catch you in the next one. Hope you had a good day. All right, I love you.